you DIYers, plumbers, maintenance men, or people, we were given a product that I want to tell you a little bit about. This is not only just a bag, 1.5-inch bag P-trap, but it also has an air admittance valve. Now, some people are going to ask, what is an air admittance valve? It's pretty simple. If you ever have filled the sink up and then you have drained it and you hear glug, glug, glug as it's going down, or if you have flushed a toilet and you can hear a glugging noise at the sink, that means that you are not having enough air to be able to run it. So an air admittance valve, what it does, it can't let the air go this way, but it lets air get drawn into the system. So like when you're flushing a toilet, the water's gonna go, it's gonna pull air. If you pull the drain, it's gonna push and it's gonna need to pull air. And that's how it would go in, right there. This would mount to where your wall is. This is a specific height that they call for on these systems. And then this would go, and then you could either lengthen or shorten this to be able to hit your drain. So if you are getting a point where you're having a sewer smell in your bathroom because of the fact somebody flushes the toilet in that bathroom and then it just smells right behind that, and you need to be able to get some kind of air admittance into your system, get you one of these.